If you're facing login problems in Coinbase, here are a couple of ways and reasons why you could be facing them and how to fix it. So the first is going to be, of course, your internet connection. Try to ensure a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that your VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that is not the case, if you're on an Android, you can simply go ahead and clear the application's cache by going to your setting, and you can also try to force close it both on Android and iOS. Then the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your App Store or Play Store if there are any updates pending. If there are, simply go ahead and update it. Also ensure that the credentials that you're entering, your email and your password, are absolutely correct and there are no typos whatsoever. If it doesn't work, then you might need to simply go ahead and reset your password using the 2FA system that you've set up. If that is also not the case, then you want to simply go ahead and check Coinbase server status by simply searching for Coinbase server status on any browser. It will give you the information immediately, and that is about it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.